Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile with a controller on Android. First, choose a compatible Bluetooth controller that works well with your specific Android phone or tablet. Many popular controllers, like those designed for Xbox or PlayStation, can connect wirelessly. Ensure your device's operating system is updated to at least Android 5.0 for best compatibility. Once your controller is ready, navigate to your Android device's settings and tap on Bluetooth. Turn Bluetooth on, then put your controller into pairing mode, usually by holding down its sync button. Your device should discover the controller, typically appearing with its brand name. Tap on the controller's name to complete the pairing process. It should show as connected. PUBG Mobile does not natively support controller input, so a key mapping app is crucial. Search for a well-reviewed app like Octopus or Panda Gamepad Pro on the Google Play Store and install it. Launch the mapping app, then add PUBG Mobile to its list of games. You will then manually assign your controller's buttons to the on-screen touch controls, customizing your layout. After setting up your key mapping, open PUBG Mobile through your mapping application. Head into the game settings and adjust the sensitivity for aiming and movement. This is vital for precise control. Fine-tune your button layout in the mapping app, perhaps placing frequently used actions like jump or reload on easily accessible buttons. Spend about 10 to 15 minutes in the training ground, getting comfortable with your new setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.